Hello guys and welcome back to yet another devlog video of my new haunted house with a cat game because I don't have a name for my game yet, so that's what I call it right now, haunted house with a cat. Anyway, let's cut to the chase. And so I added some new features and let me show you what happens in my game right now. So let me make it full screen and let me press play. And as you can see, I added some footsteps to it. Let me turn on the volume a bit. So you see, we have some footsteps. I still have the enemy targeting, you see, as I go. So if I get close enough to an enemy, it starts to target, see? So if I shoot, okay, okay. So it will start, you see, it will start shooting the enemy. You know, I guess the more I close, the more accurate it is. Okay, so it's like this, all right? I will have to check the coding for that. I mean the visual coding. Maybe you don't know from my previous videos, I do this with no coding at all. I use purely Playmaker in a Unity. I use Playmaker plugin, so I will give a link also in the description. So if you want to, if you want to purchase the plugin, you can check it out from there. And that's going to be an affiliate link. So if you would like to support me through there, I would appreciate, you know. Anyway, let's go in and let's see what will happen in the game. Anyway, so whoop, boom. So, and if we go here, as you can see, we have the radio turning on, and it's dancing. I did these with simple tween animations, you know, just with the looping. And if we get close to it, as you can see, we have this nice UI come up, says F to pick it up. You see? And we have this cute jazz music playing. Alright? So I can take this radio wherever I want. It will come with me. So I will leave it in its hometown. I will leave it here. So if I come here, it will turn off. Okay. And we have the washing machine here. I don't know. I just couldn't find a place where to put it. Maybe I might take it out somewhere. So we are in the bathroom. I have this bathroom here. And if you come here, you see after interact. If I press F, it goes right. It goes left. So, you know, this is to hide something, so we can like pick up here, you know, like a key or something. We can open up the doors that are locked, you know. So this is it, guys. Not too many features, you know, right now, but because it's taking some time to build up this and, you know, to solve some how can I say, to solve some puzzles or problems while creating the game, you know. But still, I'm happy where it is, and I really hope you like the game. And I really like the camera angle, so it's more like, you know, the game Little Nightmares 1 and 2, they have this kind of thing. And I really hope you like this little cat. It's been around for a few years, maybe since maybe 8 years or something. I have a mobile game for him, but I just want to make a game for the Steam for him, so this is the way I'm going. I really hope you like. And the game will be more like a haunted house. So, you know, the ghosts and maybe some monsters, zombies, whatever, you know, whatever comes to your mind, I will do it. You know, I would appreciate if you support me by subscribing to my channel. And also, I will add a Patreon link in the description and you can check it out. I would appreciate if you support me in the Patreon page, you know, I will be more than happy with that. Okay, so see you in another devlog video, guys. Okay, hope you liked how it's coming up. Okay, take care and happy game developing, guys. Bye bye.